One of the most common problems found in your electric oven is a burned out heating element. And today I'll show you how you can easily fix it yourself without having to call a repairman. It saved me a lot of money and all I had to do was buy a new part for it. First, let's take out the baking rack so there's room to work in the oven. So here's the problem, the baking element burned out. The day before it happened, I noticed that this corner burned way brighter than the rest of the coil, and when it burned out, there was a sudden buzzing sound and a bunch of smoke. Now the repair is actually really simple to do, and the tools you'll need are a screwdriver and a pair of pliers. Before I start playing around in the oven, I'm going to disconnect the power. Typically, there'll be a couple of screws holding the baking element to the back of the oven. Take these screws out and set them aside. Now slowly slide the heating element out. Mine was a little stuck in the insulation, but it came out pretty easily. The element is connected with only 2 wires using spade connectors. Now you don't have to do this, but I'm going to secure my wires so they don't actually get pushed behind the wall of the oven. Using your pliers, just slide the connectors off, but keep track of their orientation. The heating element now lifts right out. And here I've got my new part ready to go. This one's for a Frigidaire stove. You'll need to know your oven's model number in order to find the right part. The model and serial number for my oven was located on the side of the bottom drawer, and yours is probably in the same place. To install the new element, we'll just reverse the steps we just did. Slide the connectors onto the end of the element. Now push the end back into the wall of the oven. The last step is to secure it with the screws I removed earlier, and the job is done. Now let's plug the stove back in and test it out. The new element fits and works perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more how-to videos and product reviews.